हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं ए गर्ल विथ ए बास्केट। आप जानते हैं कि ए गर्ल विथ ए बास्केट प्रोज का पहला लेसन है और हम इस पे हिंदी एक्सप्लेन कर चुके हैं और आज हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं उस पर इंग्लिश कन्वर्जेशन के बारे में, एक्सप्लेन करने के बारे में हम आज आपको बताएंगे। दोस्तों, ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता है क्योंकि अगर आप एक्सप्लेन करना जान जाते हैं तो उससे आपको बहुत सारे बेनिफिट मिलेगा। आपका जो स्पीकिंग करने की जो तौर तरीका है वो भी आप कर सकते हैं और जो रेफरेंस कॉन्टेक्स्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन होता है और जो क्वेश्चन आंसर होता है वो भी आप आसानी से कर सकते हैं। तो इसलिए हम चाहेंगे कि आपको इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन करने की जो प्रक्रिया है उसको हम बताएं। तो आज हम ए गर्ल विथ ए बास्केट को इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन करने की प्रक्रिया को बताएंगे। ये आपके लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट होता है और बहुत ही अच्छा होता है। हम चाहेंगे कि जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं वे भी कोशिश करें जिस तरीके से हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं उसी तरीके से आप भी कोशिश कीजिए, जिससे कि आपकी जो बोलने की, जो इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग करने की जो तौर तरीके हैं वो बने। साथ ही साथ जो आपका क्वेश्चन आंसर जो एग्जाम में सॉल्व करने की प्रक्रिया और फास्ट हो। तो आइए आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। दोस्तों, इससे पहले हम बता दें आपको कि इसके पहले जो वीडियो मैंने बनाया है उसको हमने हिंदी में आपको सारी चीज़ें उसका बता दिया है। अभी हम जो डिस्कस करने वाले हैं वह इंग्लिश एक्सप्लेन के बारे में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। इसके पहले वाले वीडियो में हमने आपको पूरी तरीके से बता दिया है, इसकी पूरी स्टोरी को बता दिया है। आज उसी स्टोरी को हम इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन करने वाले हैं। पूरा डिटेल नहीं बताएंगे, संक्षिप्त में ही बताएंगे, लेकिन उस संक्षिप्त में ही आपके सारी जो प्रोसेस है वे सारे के सारे हम इंक्लूड कर देंगे। और इसके पहले वाली वीडियो में थोड़ी सी एक मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हुई थी, इसके लिए आप सबसे दिल से सॉरी। जैसे क्या था कि जो ग्रामर था, पोएट्री था, उसकी जो मीनिंग थी थोड़ी सी हमसे छूट गई थी, मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो गई थी। तो उसके लिए आप सबसे दिल से मैं सॉरी बोलता हूँ और उसको बहुत ज़्यादा दिमाग से लेने की आवश्यकता नहीं है और आगे की जो प्रक्रिया है उस पर ध्यान दिया जाए। और दूसरी चीज़ ये कि आप 12th के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आप इस चीज़ को समझ सकते हैं और थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक हुई है, मैं इस बात को स्वीकार करता हूँ स्वेच्छा से। आइंदा मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि मीनिंग पे भी ध्यान दे, एक भी किसी तरह की कोई छूटे ना। तो आइए हम डिस्कस करें ए गर्ल विथ ए बास्केट। ए गर्ल विथ ए बास्केट, this is the very important lesson for your examination, and every year a large number of questions are also arises from this lesson. So today we will start to discussion on this lesson that name is a girl with a basket. A girl with a basket written by William C. Douglas, and William C. Douglas was the judge of Supreme Courts of America, and he come to India in 1950, and in those time different type of activities are also arises in this country, and in the starting time the author was used to travel by a car, and then after all he started to traveling his journey by a train, and the train is the very slowly train. As this type of train generally we can see that this type of train passenger train, and it's stops at every station. It means train starts at every station, and where the train has stops at every station, and then the author Mr. William C. Douglas are alighted from the from his compartments, and he used to walk on the platform. And so at every station the author used to doing as like this, and he was coming to India to knowing the activity of this country. He started to talking as the person, and in those time the English language are not very broad in this country, and so So it is the very difficult for the author William C. Douglas, because you know that he was the American person, and English language is uh, the naturally language to the American man. So he feel uncomfortable, and he talked to as this type of person who wanted to know to speaking the English, and uh, and uh, and he at last he means author was success to find as this type of person who know how to speak the language of English. So uh, the author the author started to talking as the every major topics and producing the newspaper in those time, and a different type of things are also he discuss he means author discuss to the person who know to speaking the speak English. So so the author feel comfortable, and he was traveling by a train, and she find a platform, and it was totally fact as type of person, that name is a different type of person are also look looked for example, that means Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, hawker, and etc. The platform are totally fact as this type of person, and the other was going on at one station when he was alighted from the compartment, and then a large number of refugee children are surrounding him as like the locust, because he was looking so smart, and he was the judge of Supreme Courts of America, and he looking so beautiful, and the children are also thought that this man or also this man must buy my things with fence and basket. So the children are surrounding as like the locust. Author have no need anything fence and basket, uh, but he wanted to know about the feelings of the children, refugee children, and to thwart this type of matter, he buy some fence and basket, and he gave some money to the refugee children. And in refugee children, a 9 years old girls are also sitting among this type of children, and he have also beautiful fans and basket, and he wanted to sell to the author, and the author had no need to buy something, and he gave some money to the 9 years old girls, and he begged him to taking her fans and basket. So the author gave some money to the 9 years old girls, and and then she did not accept the money, and because she thought that this man or thought about me that we are beggar, but we are not beggar, we are a businessman, and so to thought these feelings, and he returned to the money to the return the money to the author. The author feel very uncomfortable, and then he decided to taking her fence and basket, and at last he success to taking her fence and basket, and then when she take the money, and then he went toward her hut and whipped her eye. So so when he reached uh, to Prime Minister, who was the first Prime Minister of India, and he told him that all the activities and all the matter which uh, which or occur between the refugee children and him. And so at last he says that she means a 9 years old girl proved that the people of India are beggar, sorry, the people of India are poor but they are not beggar, and we have fallen in India. So this is the explain of this lesson, and according to me, and I suppose I understand that you will understood my feeling, and you have to try to speak as like this. And if you try to speak as like this, so it is the most important for you. So that's all, and thanks a lot of.